Come, let us spill this already spilled a tea and get into some entertainment news. Now, Hopolo Report TV. Skim Sam dominates the new slot. Right? Skim Sam moved to a new time slot of 1930. The numbers are in and Skim Sam is ahead. For the month of March 2024, the show's total views average is 3.3 million with an episode peak of 3.9 million. The numbers are climbing with the first week of April's total views average at 3.8 million. Side note, lowest rated episode was Friday, March the 15th, pulling over 2.75 million views. But nonetheless, people thought that Skim Sam will not survive at that slot because it was going to compete with Scandal, it was going to compete with My Brother's Keeper, and people were like, no, 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 it's just not going to happen. However, Skim Sam is happening and it's reaching those required target. So yeah, I think it's only fair to say congratulations to Skim Sam.